Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe. And today we're at Malibu, and this is a brand new 4-bedroom home, $8 million. Oh, sounds like a discount, but some of these homes are quite exceptional. We had a $9.25 million Malibu property the other day, and it was superb. It was almost better than some of the more expensive homes because you're just getting a little bit better value for money, and here you are too. We see an incredible pool and spa, and we see a lovely home set with a hill behind it, and we've got the use of steel and plaster and more as we come on through. Lovely walking track down here out to the edge and looking over all this lifestyle area. Lovely indeed. And then we've got very high ceilings, massive light window, and then indoor-outdoor flow to the garden with a pool out there. It's wonderful in this price range, $8 million. It is a beauty. Wine cellar, big bottles for sure, and lovely positioning. Love the timber in there. This big beam across the top, speakers in the ceiling, indoor-outdoor flow, this whole stacking door system here, looking out with the views to the distance with a contemporary lounge area. Very nice indeed, simplistic but beautiful. Cottage windows and more. It really is lovely. Love the use of this fan. A gable roof with wood paneling, indoor-outdoor flow again. Lovely stone fireplace. Imagine living here, relaxing and unwinding. It's the lifestyles of the rich and famous. Big island here. Lovely stone usage, beautiful timber, clean timber lines, and then cottage windows out over the stone bench top. Lovely flowers there too. Double gas oven here, big extractor, and a gold tap fitting there too. Steel is used on this home. Lovely job there on the roof. And then we're out to the barbecue area, the green grass, which in California is unique these days. Why is that? Because of the drought elements of the environment. So looking at the pool here, lovely as well. Imagine bathing there. You're relaxing in the sun, looking out over the super duper view of Malibu. Absolutely tremendous. Loving the wine cellar. Looks like a shop. Maybe it is. And it's fantastic. Imagine it here. Friends and family, let's go pick a wine glass. Let's go pick a wine bottle. Let's do all that stuff and have some tastings. And that's where you do it. Lovely picture window looking out over the property. And then simple use of almost a chevron style tile setup. And just lovely. Just pleasant. Views out that window too with a big feature wall in stone. And this room too, servicing out to the outdoor retaining wall there and a courtyard area. And then the bathroom with black subway tiles. And just beautiful. Just a beautiful home, double French doors out, and looking so good. Look at this here too. Love the use of gray, smaller, thin tiles, big shower head, and a nice shelf there too. Loving this sink actually, quite unique, a thick stone finish, and the use of this dial here to put your water on and off. Fabulous indeed. Small gym area, $8 million for your study in there, and a spare bathroom as well. Steel roof, lovely color, and trees and more plants and shrubberies. It's beautiful. There's the night shot. Love the fireplace with a glass over the front. Relaxing, unwinding, outdoor living area, big chimney, looks so good. And you're enjoying this incredible home at $8 million. 29803 Cuthbert Road, Malibu, California, 90265. It is fantastic. Check that one out, $8 million. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. See you then. Bye for now.